Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to block unknown calls on Imo or how to block unknown number calls on Imo. If you want to turn off or stop or block or disable unknown number or unknown calls on Imo or block or stop unknown number incoming calls, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So in this time I can show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So in this time I can show some steps. In this time I can show fast process or fast method, so let's see. So in this time I can show some steps. So in this time I can show fast process or fast method. So first of all, go to Imo. After that, choose and open your Imo account. You can see my Imo account, and in this time I can easily turn off or disable or stop or block unknown calls or unknown number calls. So let's see how to do that. After that, left top corner Imo profile picture, click on it. After that, choose and open security and privacy, click here. Scroll down. After that, you can see call. So in this time you can choose and open call, click on it. You can see who can call me. After that, everyone users who have added me to contacts or have been added to my contacts. After that, my contacts option, and then you can see nobody. So in this time you can choose nobody option. After that, in this here, click on it. You can see in this time I can choose nobody, and in this way you can easily turn off or disable or stop or block unknown number calls or block unknown calls on Imo. And in this time I can show second process or second method, so let's see. After that, go back. After that, you can see Imo account name, Imo ID, Imo account phone number. So in this time you can choose and open Imo account name or Imo account phone number, click here. Scroll down. You can see edit, so choose and open edit. In this time you can choose and open privacy settings, click here. Scroll down. After that, choose and open call, and in this time you can choose nobody. In this way you can easily turn off or stop or disable or block unknown calls on Imo or disable or stop or block unknown number calls on Imo. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.